I need mine first. I'm coming for all of them.
You started already?
And the only thing that saved them was that damn earnings from Avgo from Broadcom.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Man, dude, no, that shit was close enough, man. That shit hit 602 in the micros. That was close enough.
Yeah, 604 in the minis. Yeah, I know. That's all I'm saying. That's close enough. That's
No,
why I want my apology.
that's close enough.
Exactly. And I'm coming for them. That overnight pump was pretty
Yeah. Yeah. Dude, when I say that, like, man, look, I was like, dude, I was fighting demons last night, man, because I was scalping NQ last night and I lost half my port. So that's why, I mean, if I still had a full clip, oh, I would have took that shit. Bump gain weight. Bump what he said.
what did he say exactly? Oh, so you streamed last night?
You know I stream every night, man. Uh he said, "Oh, the market's gonna feel that good. He's gonna feel that good. You know it. It's free money. You're gambling." And yeah, I was gambling at first. I thought I was gonna touch VWAP, and it didn't. So I lost like $500. So I mean, if I took that trade and I was gonna be wrong, well, I wouldn't have had an account to trade today. Well, I mean, I still blew that shit this morning anyway, revenge trading, but you know how that shit go. And I had an entry at 705, bro. 705. And yeah, so you know how I'm feeling about that shit right now. Seeing this big pump. Now, the long on the ES that I had last night, I took that off because I thought, the way this thing was looking, I was like, well, it don't look like it wants to go up. So hold on, where do I have my limit at? Where did I have my limit at? Oh yeah, never mind. I had my limit at 60. My bad. I told you 57 this morning. I had it at 60, but because you already know the market gapped up, and I was like thinking like, well, it's gonna probably come back to 60 because they bottomed out at 54, and I remember 54 being that level, uh, that the market just ran through because 54 was because I remember I was trying to get in at 54.75 because that was like a point above that previous all-time high on the ES. And I remember getting into it, the market bought exactly at that level and then dumped through it. And so when I saw that they bounced at it before the session closed, I was like, let me try to get into this shit, but the market already gapped up. And I left it at 60, but I was like, man, that shit ain't gonna probably come back. And I took it off, and now I'm pissed because it did come back. It came back. Oh shit. Yeah. Well, it came back as soon as I started the stream. That's crazy. I was sitting there gambling the Nasdaq, and I would have got filled on the ES, and I would have caught this move. Nah, gain weight, gain weight. I'm glad you're here. You need to put that 20 pager in the chat.
Hold on.
You need to put that 20
I gotta go
pager in the chat.
Nah. It's me first. Then you can get yours. Hey, who said we wasn't going to 600? Who said we wasn't going to 600? It took all day, but we got to freaking 600. I want my apology.
Dude.
I want it from everyone in this chat.
A 20 pager. And that's just the first apology. I'm gonna need a follow-up apology after that. Like, you know what, Sherm? You're always right. The Nasdaq never fills that gap on the first time, and now I would have still took it if I didn't blow half my account on that gamble. I would have took it, but I was like,
Alfred. You're not out of you're not safe from this, Alfred. You're not off the hook. You said you put that apology in your back pocket. I remember. I'm gonna need you to take that apology out of that back pocket.
Take it out. I mean, shit. It ain't the best week, but shit. The Nasdaq is still the Nasdaq. She's a toxic bitch. She will never fill that gap the first time. Never. And I sat here and listened to gain weight. Ugh. Dude, I was like, dude, there's something telling me to take this damn long. They're holding it. But I couldn't withstand any more drawdowns. So I was like, shit. And just for it, 705 gain weight. I was in at 705. Shit, I almost turned the stream off so I could take the short. So if I lost, I wouldn't have been, I would have took a secret loss. I would have took a secret loss. So I don't look foolish. I was like, okay, guys, that's it for tonight. And I took the long anyway, but I was like,
You said it got the 604. Hey, that's. I knew you was gonna try to be technical with it. That's close enough.
Nope, that's close enough.
That's close enough.
The Nasdaq ain't gonna never fill that gap.
Oh.
Yep. Sometimes you gotta do them secret trades off stream. Shit, especially when you're on a losing streak. It's like, man, I can't keep looking foolish. Can't keep looking foolish.
Then you come back. I'm talking about, yeah.
yeah. That's what I should have did. And like, man, fuck it. If I blow the account, if it dies, it dies. I'll just get a new one. Shit. I want to be right or liquidate get what I want or liquidate my account. Shit. Give me what I want or liquidate my account. I don't care. Oh, we definitely got to put that on a t-shirt, dude. Give me what I want or liquidate my account. Oh, man. And that was part of the reason why I didn't take it, Alfred. I was like, well, let me stop gambling. But I mean, that wasn't a gamble. That was just a straight, that was a good call. That right there was a good call. The Nasdaq never fills the gap the first time. Now, I didn't expect her to do all that. I expected her to go to VWAP and dump. But I ain't expect for her to do all that. I mean, she went crazy last night on the Bears. Like, the Bears is like, yeah, we got this. You see them trying to double top it here at 765. Now the Nasdaq was like, nah, come here. Come here, my boy. Come here, my boy. And she started clapping. And look at the double toppers trying to short this right here. Nah, that shit's going to get ran through. Because the ES is primed for a long too. So the ES can probably come up all the way up here to 96.
Oh my goodness. That is too funny.
Yeah.
The only thing that saved y'all was the freaking Avgo earnings. They want to jump $8. Yeah, 604 is close enough.
Nah. That was close enough. No, that's close enough. That's close enough. Gain weight, we gonna need that apology and handwritten. And then once you handwrite it, you gotta type it and put it in the chat. I have learned my lesson to not inverse the SHRM. But dude, nah, that was a good one. Man, I don't know what's been wrong with my decision making this week, man. I've been taking the bad trades and skipping out on the good ones. It's like I had to inverse. Like if I literally inverse myself this entire week, I would have been good. Now, I don't know what the hell was going on this week. Why was I skipping? Because first I was kind of upset that I missed out on this short. Like, dude, I was literally in the Nasdaq at where was it at? Where's my chart at? At 760 or 760. Once I saw that it rejected at 765, I got in at 760. And then, you know, thinking about what Muhammad said, was like, and thinking about what I said to the chat, saying that, you know, I'm gonna turn over a new, wait for confirmation leaf. I closed the position out, went to do the NA meetings, and then I came back and I would have been up. I don't know how many points that is. So 60. So what is that? 60, about 63-ish. Yeah, 63-ish, like 63-ish points on a 15 lot. I probably would have passed the account. I would have passed the damn account. And then I caught this long right here, hoping that it went to VWAP, but I had a feeling that they was going to reject it at the 21. And I keep fighting these EMAs. That's the one thing I'm gonna have to stop doing is fighting these damn EMAs. I gotta stop fighting them. I fight them so much. It's like, why? And then once I saw that it was finding support at this gap and the 200 EMA was climbing up, I was like, if I take this now and it goes all the way back down to the 200 EMA, I'll blow the account. And so I was like, let me see. I don't know. And I was like, fine. I'll just wait until the morning. And I wake up to this crap. She didn't even come back and even touch that gap. She's gonna probably fill this gap, probably FOMC probably. Where's that that March contract at? That March contract is at 22. So the Nasdaq can run to 22. The Nasdaq can definitely run to 22 today to catch up with this contract.
March contracts at 22?
Yeah, 22.1. Yeah, 22.1.
Dang.
Yeah, the ES touched 153 for its all-time highs on that contract.
Yo,
so,
look at the NQ.
I know that shit is still going. And I was at the bottom. Game weight. No, I want a 40 pager, god damn it. I want a 40 pager. Look at this shit, man. I was at the bottom. Gateway was talking about you're gambling. Yeah, da, 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 da. And the rest of us trying to make money. God damn. All right, man. That's why I told Smith this morning. I was like, no, never again. I'm gambling, god damn it. I'm gambling. Shit.
Dang.
Wake up to this shit. Yo, this shit, like, dude, this thing can go, bro. It bounced off the bottom of this trend line, like, it bounced perfectly at the bottom of that trend line. So that means that it's getting up to 22K, bro. We're getting to 22K. We're getting to 22K. For sure.
This is crazy. Just straight run up. Wow. And then I'm looking at it now. I see they bounced it in that area, that first area of support where the Bears tried to, I mean, there was a they tried to take it down. They tried to take it down.
Yep, they tried to double top it. Yep. Yeah, they tried to double top. But the Nasdaq, she said, "Come here, my boy. Let me get them cheeks. Let me get them. Let me get them cheeks." Yo, 21. We're going to 2. We're going to 22. We're going to 22, man. Oh yeah, middleman. I'm in. Not on the Nasdaq, but on the ES. I missed it on the ES or the Nasdaq last night. Let's see if I can get that first target at 88. I'm pretty sure I can, but I mean, I got a decent entry on the ES. You said what?
The better long is definitely on the NQ versus
the ES. Yeah, of course. Man,
that thing is ripping.
Hell yeah, dude.
Face ripper.
All right, we're going to 22K, man. I mean, we only got 100 more points. You know, the Nasdaq can do that shit in a heartbeat. Damn. Oh, you missed it last night too, middleman? Yeah. It's not a scam, game weight. It's not a scam. All right, my bad, JC. Let me show you. So yeah, we're probably going to 22K. I would pay attention to 965-ish, 960. Probably front run this 23% because this is probably where the market is going. Is exactly where the market wants to go. Is about 30 to 40 points of a front run to that 22K target that everybody's trying to get to. And I'm pretty sure the market is going to probably do some shenanigans around this area. I'm pretty sure. But we got that perfect entry at the bottom, that first test at the bottom of this channel right here. The first test is the best test, baby. And not only did we was at the bottom of this channel, we had all the EMAs supporting this level right here to go long. So they're gonna probably reject it, probably double top it right here, and then we'll probably get like a pullback. But we'll see what happens. I got my first target coming off at 88.50. Probably do this like 88.25 actually. I'm probably let this last target run a little bit, probably up to like 96 or something. Probably scale into this. He said my Gameway. Gameway says my sim account will be investigated. No.
No book map right now. Tripping.
Yo, thing with Bookmap. So apparently, they attacked his channel again.
Really?
Yeah, they attacked it. He had a copyright strike again on the new one. It's crazy that they just attack him. I don't know why they just attack him. You said what?
Yeah, but not everybody else.
Yeah. Hey, Alfred, do you know what's going on? Because I mean, I was up late I think on Monday or whichever day that was, and he was telling everybody that he got copyright striked again, and everybody was talking about how literally, what's that? Live book maps is literally doing the same thing. But I think probably what it is because he's probably the most popular one. That's probably what it is. I mean, if you look in his chat, it's always live. Well, in the Nasdaq chat at least. The ES chat is like,
Dip out a little early today, but yeah, they're talking about I see these other channels talking about Broadcom.
Broadcom.
That was another. Yeah, that was a catalyst that freaking.
I'm a average in to this pullback right here. I'm gonna add to this position. Yeah, I was like, well, shit, that's probably what Live Bookmap probably wanted. Because Live Bookmap got subscribers, but they don't ever be having like. There's nobody in the chat. I'm surprised, honestly. I wonder what makes Alex's Bookmap so alluring to people, to where they talk about their positions, and they talking about how they're gambling, and nobody really talks in these other Bookmap chats. I don't know why. And I'm not downloading Twitch or anything. You said what?
I said I gotta run. I'll be back on in the chat.
All right, man.
All right.
Let me see, because I think that isn't I think with Bookmap
/Hitman, and we're gonna update all the
All right, so for anybody that wants to I think what Bookmap has his stream up on Twitch. Man, okay, so they're trying to copyright me with all this bullshit, man. Come on, yo. I'm gonna open a page and it's gonna start playing music and shit. What's up with that? Mm. Yeah. I opened up Twitch. Oh, actually, it's Fortnite. Fortnite. Yo, this thing didn't film me? No way, bro. Yo, what? This thing literally touched my order and didn't film me. Wow. Wow. Are you talking about, oh, you're talking about this right here? So this is a trend indicator. This tells me if the trend is up or if the trend was down. This green line right here is VWAP. This gray line is a 200 EMA. This yellow line is the 21 and this red line is the 50. So that's always nice. Where it says 218. It says where it says 218. Oh, this right here. Oh, this is my P&L. That's my P&L. All right, so we got the algo coming up in the next 5 minutes. Let's see if the ES is going to hurt my feelings if I should have just took my profits here at these highs. Looks like my feelings about to get hurt. $71. I'm gonna put this at $69.50. I'm gonna put this at $69.50 just in case. I don't want it to tap this little high right here and bounce me out if we do see a rundown. We'll see. We'll see if the bears try to come back at this trend channel right here and try to reject it down. We'll see. Or maybe the Nasdaq already reached its objective, 900. Yeah, that's probably where everybody took profits. Yeah, 900. And these are the golden fibs for the Nasdaq for anybody that wants a reference where they are. Right now we're at the golden fib. Right now price is kind of holding the golden fib. Usually if we see a rejection to the golden fib, it's usually going to the 23%, which 820 does seem like a good. Yeah, that's actually probably a good re-entry long right here is at around this area, 820. You got a nice trap right here. You got that move up, that move that's probably coming back down. And all right, so you got that little level right there. You got the 200 EMA coming up. You got that move up. I'm pretty sure this price is going to come down. There's going to be passive buyers in this area, and I'll move back up to like 8, back up to the golden zone will definitely be a profitable trade. So we'll see. We'll see what happens if we do see that drop and if price does get into this area. But they're holding that golden zone. So if they hold this golden zone, then a move up to 970 will probably be the next move for the Nasdaq. That's if they hold. But I mean, the way the ES is looking right now, it looks like it's going to hold as well. It looks like the ES is going to hold. But it's a nice double top. It's a nice 10 points down. Nice 10 points. All right, so let's see if the ES is going to, if the bears are going to try to reject it here at the bottom of this trend channel. We'll see. What's up, Grip Can Trade? We would have been beautiful this morning. Yeah, I know. And I do agree, middle mine. I think that gap is going to be filled up. Well, I don't think it's going to be filled today. It's too well, we'll see. We'll see. I think a lot of people are going to have that 22K in mind. Obviously, it's going to get front ran, obviously. But I think we're going to at least get to 960, 970. It would just make sense for the Bulls to just try instead of giving it up. Unless that's the whole trap, unless that's the idea. We'll see, though. Once I start to see these EMAs sloping down, we'll see. Well, we had an opportunity to go long at 705 last night. Ain't gonna never let gain weight live that one down. We had an opportunity to go at 705. Just imagine being in at 705 from last night. Honestly, I should have just looked at the golden fib. That's what or the chart. That's what I should have did. 705. We had an opportunity to get in at 705 down here. And catching this entire move up. But we caught the longs on the ES. At least I didn't take profits as usual. I keep thinking that the ES is the Nasdaq for whatever reason. Honestly, I thought that the ES would at least retest this high up here. But that's not how the ES trades. I mean, I got to keep reminding myself of that. That's just not how she trades. Once you see a good move down on the left-hand side, you got to respect that there's going to be more orders sitting here. You might not get a reversal, but 9 times out of 10, you're going to get people taking profits at these highs. You're going to see people, new sellers coming in, passive sell orders in this area. So I should have took the profits here and re-entered, but you know how that shit goes. You take the profits and it just keeps going up. So, ain't that some shit? My God. All right, I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. I'm gonna leave my stop. I mean, I guess this is a good thing. A good thing about the ES as well. You don't lose too much if you're wrong, but at the same time, you don't make as much if you're right either. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. Mm, mm. You said the MACD. Actually, well, I don't know how to even. I don't even understand what that indicator is actually um, looking for and indicating me for. Like, what is that? I haven't used the MACD in my strategy ever, and I don't even know what that is. If you don't mind explaining. Nah, gang, wait, we gotta blame you. You know how this game is played. You know somebody gotta take the fall. You know how this game is played. There's always gotta be a fall guy. Always. Nobody likes to take self accountability. Yeah, I could have still took that trade if I wanted to. But shit, now I'm gonna blame Gang Weight for it. Because he told me not to. He said that they're gonna fill that gap, and he could have been right. Sharing his bearish thesis. Yeah, that shit's mm, you know what? I'm gonna take that chance. I'm gonna just keep my stop underneath R3. Because I just have a feeling that they're gonna probably tap this area and bounce. Because I don't think the market's done. Not after what we just saw. But I mean, we did see a decent run up from the highs, though. We'll see. Because this could be a trap. Or at least I would love for it to be a trap. Trapping the bears underneath this low. And then seeing a big bullish green candle go into the upside. That would be nice. Hmm. Yeah, this shit is grinding down. Hmm. Come on, buyers, trap these bears in. Trap these bears in, and let's see that move back up to the upside. But I'm pretty sure that they're gonna tap that low though. I'm pretty sure I'm probably done in this position. I should have took the profits at the top. Yeah, because I mean, if they break this thing, they break that. Hmm. Damn it. All right. All right. Yeah, this position is probably done. Shit. Mm. Come on, ES. Come on, buyers. Don't stop me out. All right, man. All right. Well, that's it for me. Hmm. Hmm. Mm. Damn. Well, you know what time it is now. Ah, shit. I missed the. Damn, I missed it. Mm. All right. Especially if I'm not going to get what I want. Mm. Look at that perfect bounce at that 23% right there. And I. Damn. Oh, man. Damn. Yeah, I mean, that's sorry to hear that, dude. A one-up account, though? Oh. 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 Yeah. Boy, what a week. What a week. What a week. What a freaking week. What a week, man. What a week. What a week. What a fucking week. What a week, man. Okay. Mm. Yeah, yeah. That's crazy, dude. Well, I can't say it's that crazy. All I wanted was VWAP last night. After I told myself that I was going to take profits at the 21 EMA. Mm. Yeah, I don't know what God I angered this week. Man, look at that, dude. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's like that he is? It's like that? Huh, it's like that, dude? Hmm. It's like that, huh? Hmm. Well, and honestly, I don't know what it is. Uh, huh. Well, well. Mm. So we talked about the Nasdaq trade. I was too distracted with my ES trade to take this obviously perfect entry, perfect setup, right back to the golden zone. Dude, I don't know what's up this week. I really don't, man. I don't know what's up this week. I really don't. How the hell am I not taking like, dude, what the fuck? What's up with that? Uh hmm, okay. If they rejected off this golden zone, then the market's gonna be targeting 730. The market's gonna target 730. It's highly likely that it will. And then we can possibly see that full gap fill all the way back down to about 630, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. That gap fill officially is from 644 to about 696. Yeah, give or take on the micros. Yeah, the low of this candle is 797, and the high of this candle right here is 644. So We don't know if we're going to come and fill this gap today, but if the bears reject, god damn, if the bears reject it from this golden zone, then a good target would be 735. I mean, obviously, a move back down to the 23%. No, there they go, rejecting it from the golden zone. I mean, obviously now that's the short. It's obviously a short now. Mm. Mm. Uh, mm. Gangway? No, you don't get that. Ain't nobody didn't say that the gap fill was not going to get filled today. We said that it wasn't going to be done on the first try. The Nasdaq never fills the gap the first time. She never fills that gap the first time. Or let me rephrase that. It's highly unlikely that she fills that gap the first time. Historically, she always front runs the gap, gets the bears trapped, reverses, and then come back and fill that gap. It could be on the same day. It could be saved for another day. But what she loves to do is not fill the gap the first time. I mean, I guess I should have got. Man, wow. Okay. All right. So let's see if they try to find support down here at this golden fib. I mean, the crazy thing is, if I didn't get stopped out, I would have had break even. And if I didn't take my break even, I would have been in the same situation. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Nah, I'm not gonna trade too slow moving. All right, so Yo, that is the most craziest thing that I've ever seen in my life. I was about to, like, dude, I was like, how the hell did it jump that order and filled my? Honestly, I probably should have. Went short closer to R4, but we'll see if I actually made the right decision here. We'll see if I made the right decision. I kind of want to put. This down here because we can possibly see a bounce at this range. I'll probably put it like a couple of points ahead of R2. Hmm. Okay. All right, peace, Ivan. Yo, congratulations on that. On Alfred. Man, nah, gain weight. Nah. You can't do that gain weight. The first day ain't the first try. The first try is the first try. But this is, man. I might just take NQ off my charts altogether. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to get my daughter straight. uh, bum, 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 bum. All right. Well, I definitely fumbled on this follow up. But yeah, he said do it. Yeah, I probably will, honestly. I probably will delete this Nasdaq chart because man, I just keep projecting her onto every goddamn instrument I trade, man. Every instrument I trade, I project her onto her. All right, so yeah, it did exactly what I thought it would do. Mm. 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 As crazy as this sounds, this actually might be a short. I don't know my stop about this. All right, let's see. I think Smith had to leave. He had to leave. I don't know. I just got a limit order up on top just in case, because I'm waiting for the ES to get to. I want to see what happens at 657. If you don't see if I don't see the reaction that I want to see at 657, then I'm gonna cancel that limit order. It's not sitting anywhere. It's not sitting in an area where it can get hit. It's just up there, so I don't have to. It's just up here, so I don't have to set it up. It's already set up for me, so I can just pull it down like that. That's all that is right there for. No real reason other than that to set it up. All right, let's see if we get that first target on the Nasdaq. All right, first target coming up. Let's see if we'll get it. It just always seems like there's always super support before that first target for whatever reason, no matter where you put that damn thing. Super support. Super support there before that first target, apparently. All right, let's hit that first target, baby. Yeah, I know, right? Look at all that support. Like, dude, that's crazy. Before the first target, like 790. I guess 790 is an area of super supply. Or I'm sorry, super demand, apparently. Well, obviously this thing is not. And I got it to where, like, as soon as I hit this first target, like as soon as I hit my first target, I should be able to. That's what I'm talking about, baby. If I move my stop to break even, that 1-to-1 first target, And honestly, it's that second target that as long as I get my second target hit, then I'm good. All right, there we go. 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 We're going back to the golden zone. There we go. There we go. Always these fucking sim trades, dude. They always fucking work. God damn. Man. Oh shit. Maybe I should trade on the sim on the goddamn stream. Y'all know they're gonna be golden. Shit. God damn. Y'all never lose another trade again. God. Look at this shit go. Shit. Well, I mean, maybe they will fill that gap. Or they probably might bounce it at the golden zone. We'll see. We'll see. I took little to no drawdown in this trade, dude. Dude, I took no drawdown in this trade. Yo, I took no drawdown in this trade. My mind is literally boggled right now. Literally boggled. Like, dude, why am I ultra instinct in the sim and base form in my damn eval? Like, what's up with that? And Krillin level in the funded account sometimes. And let's check on that Bitcoin trade. Man, dude. Oh my God. Look at that perfect entry on Bitcoin, baby. Perfect entry on Bitcoin. Only took a few points in drawdown. And ah. All right, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Hey, gain weight. Hold on. Gain weight. Gain weight. Let's see what happens first. Let's see what happens. Remember my limit order from last night? Let's see if it gets touched. Gain weight, I ain't listening to you no more, man. I ain't listening to you no more. No, I'm just playing. I'm playing with you. I'm playing. Let's see, like, dude, it looks like it's about to get touched. We'll see what happens though. I was looking for 44 to get long on the ES. I'm actually going to see how the market reacts when it gets down to 44 on the ES. Because that's where I was trying to go long last night. Like a tick below this low, I want to see if they'll touch it. And if you'll get like some sort of reversal at that area. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so they finding support at the golden zone on the Nasdaq. We'll see. We'll see if this is it. I'm gonna protect the profits. Protect the profits. Protect the profits. I mean, Griff can trade. I don't know, bro. I don't think the market is ready yet. I mean, you can get long here, but from what I've found, and even though I hate it, I fight against the EMAs all the time. It's just now I'm just going to start listening to them, I guess. Anyway, the EMAs are suggesting that the market is not ready for a long. Because if you do see a pump here, they're either going to reject it here at the 21, they're going to reject it here at the 50, or the 200. I mean, if you get up here to the 50, that's a good long. But we have to see what they do here at the 21 EMA. See what they do here. If the EMAs ain't agreeing with your trade, unfortunately, even though I hate to say it because I want to trade the way I want to fucking trade or the way I want to, but I understand I don't got to control the market. But hey, it's an emotional error. I don't understand why, but hey, as long as I'm honest with myself, I know that if I do something foolish, I can only blame myself. But anyway, I mean, if these EMAs ain't agreeing with your trade, it's best to just to wait for the EMAs to kind of slow down. The bulls are going to have to break above this 21 EMA first, but they still might see a rejection here at this 50 EMA. We'll see if this is a trap right here. This could be a trap. This could be a trap high right here on the Nasdaq. We'll see. We'll see how they play it. Yeah, the one thing that you don't want to do, especially on the Nasdaq, is to get trapped above the 21 EMA. You don't want to get trapped above it, because once you get trapped above it, you're going to have to take that loss. You're going to have to. They don't usually, when you see that trap candle above the 21 EMA, and hold on, when you see that trap candle and it does this and it closes, you're going to have to stop out. You got to. You know what I'm going to do? Since we are in the sim and we're ultra instinct in the sim for whatever reason. All right, so that's probably where that channel's at right there. Yeah, that's probably where that channel's at. Let's see. Let's see if they reject. I'm actually gonna put this right here. I'm gonna see if I can kind of add to this. If I can add to this position. See if I can add to it. We'll see if we get that little trap candle above the 21 EMA. If I see that trap candle, I'm shorting it. I'm gonna add to this position if I see that trap candle. But that golden zone bounce though, that golden zone bounce was definitely legit. That was definitely a legit bounce. All right, here's the test for the bulls right here. Here's the test. We'll see if they're going to be successful here. Damn, look at that. Nice, clean, short entry on Bitcoin. Never fails. Going short on Bitcoin never fails, dude. If you are a bear, elevate yourself to heaven. Come over here to Bitcoin and short it all day. Bear heaven right here. Bear heaven. No drawdown. Straight move down to VWAP. We'll probably get a move all the way back down here to point of control. Up $1,500 shit. That's somebody's day right there. You profit, yeah. All right, so you see this right here? Oh shit, I missed the short. No, I missed it. No. I missed it. I keep doing stupid shit like that, man. That's just so stupid. Why did I do that? Why did I? As soon as I switch from the damn chart, it does that crap. I was waiting to short the failure right here off the 50. Once I saw that red candle, I would have shorted. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. I was looking to go short. I mean, not short. I was looking to go long at about 43, 44 on the ES. If I see that, I probably might take that. I might take the long there because once the ES gets to an area of support, I might actually close this short on the Nasdaq. But we'll see how it responds at 42, 40, 43, 44. We'll see. Mm. Mm. Wow. Sim trades undefeated. Sim trades undefeated. All right, so that's the. I got a feeling on that Bitcoin play. Good shit. Good Bitcoin play. This thing's still going, man. This thing's still going. A good play on Bitcoin. Nice short from the highs. Damn. Up $2,900 in the sim. Mm. All right. All right. So this no, this is not the area that I wanted to go long in on the ES. I want to see what they do underneath this low right here at 45. That's what I want to see. I want to see how the bulls react. If I see a bullish candle, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Taking that shit. Really, NQ? I mean, I'm not surprised by that NQ. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised by that. I'm not surprised by that. What the hell? Come here. What the hell did you do? What did you do? What did you do? All right, man. Kids, man. Shit, if you don't love them, you'll just adopt them, I swear. All right. We'll see what happens. Of course, she didn't want to take that target off the first time, obviously. That just would be non-toxic of her. Wow. Okay. Maybe if I just trade a bigger account. Maybe my thing is that I'm trying to trade like this on a small account where I got to be perfect in. And that's probably where my disconnect is. If I get like a bigger account with a bigger drawdown onto it, then okay. So I think what I'll do, uh probably like as a Christmas gift to myself, I'll probably get like a couple of those okay. Got that first target hit. We're gonna protect our gains, baby. We're gonna protect the gains. We got 2 left on this. Yeah, so we're up right now. So all today in the sim, we're up about $4,500 right now. Up about $4,500. All right, so let's see. So I'm confident that I mean, shit. At this point, it's highly likely that we're touching this 23%. I mean, we could see a bounce here at 50 because um usually underneath the golden zone, people like to buy off the 50. They like to do that for whatever reason. But we got this trend line coming down. So we'll see if the bears are going to use this trend line as actually let me do this. We're going to see if the bears use this trend line to keep shorting this thing. Because I mean, at this point, they're going to, I mean, why not touch the 23%? Why not? Hey, I guess we both should have listened to what Muhammad said yesterday, gain weight. We both should have did it. Well, I mean, because honestly, I mean, it was an obvious short. I mean, once the confirmation was in, once we saw that confirmation from the golden zone, that rejection from the golden zone, that was a confirmation right there. That was it. And then once we saw the rejection from this 23%, that was it. Well, uh, would y'all guys want me to keep the golden chart on the stream? Or well, I mean, well, yeah. Well, anyway, would y'all prefer for me to keep these this golden chart on the stream, or would y'all prefer to have the ranges and the break lines? Would y'all prefer this, or would y'all well, let me just say it like this: would y'all want me to reference this chart more often? Is probably what I should say. Yo, where'd you add it 10 more at, game? Wait. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna probably keep it up always, but I'll reference this chart then. I'll reference this chart more. I mean, these levels are freaking pristine. Pristine levels. Yeah, I think we're about to. I think this is probably the end of this tunnel. We might get like a rundown. Did it fill the gap already? I think it filled the gap. No, we got. Yeah, this is the gap fill all the way down here. It might not fill the gap again. You know how the NQ go. You know how she is. She might not fill that gap again. But we're gonna trail this. We're gonna trail it. Yeah, I guess I don't know. I guess I just feel like it's cheating. I guess if I use them, it's like, well, shit. Why do I need to know price action if I can just reference a perfect chart where all I got to do is pay attention to the 23% in the golden zones, and I'm basically God on these charts, Steph Curry on these charts. Don't miss. Where's the fun in that? Yeah, these golden zones and 23%. Yo, these are perfect, man. Look how the market just reacts in these areas, man. They're just perfect. You take little to no drawdown in these areas, and the market just loves to go back and forth between the 23% and the golden zone. It just loves it. You can see it right here. The bear is failing. And then once you see that confirmation underneath the 23%, I mean, you might as well just target the golden zone. All right, looks like we're about to get that gap fill gain weight. And we thought this shit was going to happen next week. We thought it was going to happen next week. And it's happening now. Nuh-uh, gain weight, nuh-uh. The only person that needs to have a 20, 40 page written apology is you, sir. You. It's you. I mean, shit, we talked about this shit last night happening. I just knew that it was not going to fill the gap the first time. It just never does. Or never is an absolute. It just doesn't do it. On the Nasdaq, she just doesn't do it. On the ES, she will always fill it. Well, it's highly likely that the ES will fill her gap before she leaves, before she moves, because this is how liquid it is. And you can see that she filled her gap. Well, she technically didn't fill her gap all the way, technically. She technically didn't fill it all the way. She filled majority of it though. She filled majority of it. Like she left like a point or something, like a couple ticks. Yeah, she didn't fill. She left 3 ticks. And then she went. That's good enough for the ES, but the Nasdaq, we know that she ain't gonna do it. She gonna probably fill like that opening candle. From what I've seen, I'm gonna start taking that long now. I'm gonna start taking that with like a tight stop, because it seems like that candle, the bottom of that candle where it gaps up, it seems like every time the Nasdaq always comes and gets bears excited, they run that low. Bears start to pile in right here, and then they slingshot it to the other side. Seems like it always does that. I'm gonna keep trailing this though. Oh crap! Did I miss my entry on the? Oh shit! I missed my entry. Oh shit! Damn, I missed my entry on the ES. I'm gonna keep trailing this. All in all, this was a good trade. I guess it's a good way to end the week. I guess whatever. It's a good way to end the week. Gain weight. That's not the same. You trying? Don't try to hit us with your lawyer talk. Technically, it's no. We ain't doing technically. We are not doing technically. That first attempt to fill the gap failed, as it always does on the Nasdaq. Now that second attempt is usually successful, and people for some reason likes to buy after the gap fill. That gap is a trap, and it always will be. That gap is a trap. So this is where gain weight, I would have been in here at, or actually no, my entry was at 44. This is where my entry was, or Yeah, 44.50 is where my entry or my limit was last night to go long on the ES. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait until the Nasdaq fills her gap first, and then I'll take that long on the ES. But if I see, okay, so if I see, okay, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. Damn, this shit missed me by a tick. This thing would have missed me by a tick. Yeah, this thing missed me by a tick. All right, let me look at this real quick. Let me look at this. All right, so this low candle was, oh no, never mind. It bounced at 45 even. I don't think the market wants to take out this low on the ES though. I don't think it wants to take that out. All right, so it looks like the Nasdaq, they're trying to find support on the Nasdaq as well. All right, so they're trying to find support on the Nasdaq, and the ES is getting into an area where they can potentially bounce this shit and see a slingshot reversal up. We'll see. We'll see what they do here. All right. So, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna take this actually on the ES. If I'm in a little bit early, I'm in a little bit early, but I was supposed to get in. If I'm a little bit early, that's fine. All right, so we'll see what happens there. All right, so I got filled on the net, or no, I'm on a different account. What to say? I don't remember getting filled. Yep, blame weight. Yep, blame weight. Yep, we blame you, gain weight. Blamed weight. So 9, 10, 11. I think we learned something today. I think we learned something today. I think we don't inverse the SHRM. I'm playing. That's not what we learned today. I think I learned something today with perfect entries and just trading with just decent size to catch a decent move. I think because we didn't catch nowhere near the top. We caught nowhere near the top. We literally got in around 820-ish, 815-ish, literally at this 23%, and was able to get a good move down with no drawdown. We damn near caught 200 points. 200 points from the top. 200 points from the top. Made decent money. No drawdown. No stress. Waited for the confirmation to set in. And we got this beautiful move down. Huh. I think I learned something today. All right, that's fine. We got the majority of the profits out on this. We got it. We got it. All right, so I need to manage that ES trade. I need to manage it. All right, so we're done with that. So we damn near, hey, gang weight. I'm gonna need a 60 pager now. Oh, hell no, gang weight. I'm gonna need a 60 pager. I'm gonna need a 60 pager, gang weight. A 60 pager. A 60 pager. Gang weight told me last night that my order was highly unlikely to get filled. Not only did this thing bounce exactly at my order, exactly, got filled. So yeah, gang weight, you need a 60 pager now. But honestly, I'm just gonna give this only a few more points because I'm close to daily loss limit on this account. So if this thing even remotely puts me in drawdown, then I'm done for the day. So I'm gonna give this about I'll give this 4 points. I mean, if I'm wrong here, I'm wrong. But I think 4 points is decent, and we'll see. Oh no, you getting it today, Blaine? Wait, you getting it today? You gotta go into the weekend and think about it. Like, damn, Sharpen Smith was saying some things that just seemed crazy at the time, but then they ended up happening. All right, ES, you don't have to be nasty or nothing. You don't gotta be nasty or nothing like that. That's all you need right there is that liquidity sweep right there. You don't need to be nasty or nothing. Yeah, that's all we need right there, baby. That's it. That's it right there. You don't have to be nasty. If I had more drawdown in this account, I would have my full 5 or 6 down here. But yeah, if this stops me out, I'll probably hit daily loss limit before it stops me out because of this trade right here. What I'm going to take away from this week, I mean, like I said, I haven't had a week like this in a very long time. I'm talking about years. Once I became a consistently profitable trader, obviously you're going to have your red days here and there, but it's been a while since I've experienced what I experienced this week. I don't know if just like that meme where the guy is digging for some rocks and he gives up before he reached that diamond at the end. I don't know if this was the universe testing my resolve, but yeah, my resolve got tested this freaking week. It certainly did. Even began questioning if I knew what the hell I was even doing. Just kept making mental and errors or mental and emotional errors this week. Ultra instinct in the sim. Krillin level in the funded account this week. base level in the damn evals. Just completely backwards, man. Hesitating on good moves, taking the bad ones out of stubbornness, revenge trading, not paying attention to the market's direction and stuff like that. So, man, next week I'm just not going to say what the market can do because today I was looking at that order. When I put that order there this morning, I was thinking to myself, I was like, well, the market could touch this level for sure, but if it keeps going up, it's going to be highly unlikely for it to come back down and touch it. And sure enough, the market said, nah, we touching it. And not only did I get filled, I only took what, because my original entry was at 44.50. And yeah, I was 44.50. So that's what, 3 ticks. It went 3 ticks past my entry and bounced. So that's what I'm going to take from this week moving forward. Not to tell the market what it can do. If I see the setup, take the setup. Manage my risk correctly, obviously. Don't let the NQ influence my ES trades because I should have got out at this double top. Honestly, I thought that we was going to see at least 88. But I mean, on the ES, because even if I got this target hit, I would have to ask myself, well, why the hell did the ES just overrun a high? I mean, in the moment, obviously you want your target hit. But obviously, as I went back to analyze the charts, I'll be like, damn, hold up. The ES just overshot a high. And that was my fault, obviously. That was my fault. So I took an unnecessary loss right here. I think I was up about maybe $600 or $700 in this trade, I think. I really don't remember. But obviously, I took a $900 loss. Yeah. But I'll definitely come back next week a lot better. Refreshed, I guess. Looks like I took my profits on Bitcoin at the right spot. I mean, we could see another short here. Actually, let's actually take that. I mean, we're in the sim. I'm actually take this right here. I'm taking this short. Or we'll see. Hold on. We could see another leg going down here. Look, I made $4,400 in a fucking sim. Ultra instinct mode. All right, yeah, I'm gonna take this. Wow, this should jump my order. This should jump my sim order. That's not fair. That's not fair, dude. That's not fair. That's not fair. Dude, that's not fair, dude. That is not fair. That's not fair, dude. That's not fair. All right, man. Whatever. All right, man. So let's see. All right. So let's see. So obviously the trend channel could possibly do something like this. It possibly could be like this now. Hmm. Nah, gain weight. You need to listen. You need to listen, gain weight. Listen. We blaming you today. You're gonna be the fall guy today. But nah. Um, oh. But Mohammed, yeah. We took some very good trades. Waited for confirmation in the sim. We took some good ES trades today. Unfortunately, hold on real quick. Shit. Yeah. But yeah, we took some good ES trades in the eval. Unfortunately, I kind of fumbled it. I let the Nasdaq kind of influence this trade right here. We had a nice retest of the high right here, and this is where I should have took my profits. Once I saw that it broke out of this trend channel, that should have been my first sign to get out of it. But I was thinking, well, I mean, maybe, this is just a pullback and they'll just keep trending higher. But obviously, in hindsight, you can see that the EMAs were kind of already telling me that I was being hopeful and not really paying attention to what was going on the charts, because you can start to see that the EMAs were beginning to slope down. VWAP, 200 EMA, the 21 was trending. You got this trend indicator saying that the trend has started. So I took an unnecessary loss on that one, but this trade right here should bring me back to break even. We should get a break even on this one. But yeah, we definitely killed it in the sim though. Oh yeah, Mohammed, yeah, we were selling gain weight that, yeah. Dude, if he took that heavier size at the top, he definitely would have made a lot of money today. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this ES trade on. I mean, it's definitely going to go back up and retest that range up there. Damn it. The ES is always in the way of my greatness. All right. So honestly, this thing might actually reject that 54, 55, 56. We could see a rejection here at S1 for sure. Actually, now that I'm looking at it. Because we did get a break. Ah, shit. We did get a break here, didn't we? We did get a break of structure here. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna keep them where they at. I'm gonna keep them where they at. Because I think I got yeah, I think I got trails on these anyway. So I'm gonna keep them where they at. So just in case if we do see a breakout, my stop should pop up. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that was definitely a trap. Yeah, like with that. Oh shit, I didn't even notice that. So they already came back and shorted at 56. So they did come back and then short right here. Mm. All right, so I mean, if they hold this pullback, if they can hold this pullback right here, this will actually be a good area to add to this position. But I'm not going to do it. I don't got the drawdown to do it. But this will be a good area to add to this position right here if they hold it. Yep, good old ES. Yeah, they hold this right here. This will be a great area to add to this position right here. Great area.
Off the short.
Oh, bro. Hey, you gotta run the tapes back, bro. You gotta run the tapes. Not only did we catch that short, bro, I made about $4,400 in the sim, bro, off that short. Bro, I took little to no drawdown. And bro, guess what? I even added to the position. That took little. Dude, I had such a bad entry with that add-on, bro, and that didn't even take any drawdown. Man, this sim is ultra instinct,
Hey.
man. This thing is ultra instinct for real, dude. I think I need. So this is how you perform when there's no fear of the outcome. You see, you execute, and you just get your targets hit, and you look like Steph Curry on these charts. Shit, I can be Muhammad on these charts. Shit.
Oh man.
Man, dude, we caught that short down, man. Dude, it was a beautiful sequence. I might have to clip that shit and put it online or something. How beautiful that sequence was. My God.
Yeah, I
Copy.
gotta run it back. I just came out of that freaking deposition. Why I feel like I was on trial.
Oh, dude, you gotta tell us about that shit. You gotta tell us
This is
about that.
crazy. I like, yeah, I can't do nothing illegal and get in the system because I crack. Make me feel like I'm guilty.
Go
So
ahead,
I
my bad.
guess I mean I don't know. It
Uh,
was like a thing of misidentification or something. They thought that the rental car that I had at that time
mhm,
was like somebody else's or something. I don't know what the guy's defense is trying to do, but
mhm,
they're trying to use my story of what happened to kind of I guess clear things up.
mhm,
I guess I don't know the full story. I got the uh like the article of what happened that
mhm.
day, and I'm like, I've never seen this dude before in my life. This guy he apparently took his vehicle and like ran into three cops and he injured a little girl at the time.
Mhm.
Freaking, I think she said that she was 3 at the time,
Damn,
and she ended up being paralyzed from it. Yes, real.
damn.
It's terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. And they basically wanted to, because they got photos of my rental car and all that other stuff, and they were trying to basically say that the keys were in my possession the whole time. And like, have you ever met this guy, or did you hand off any? I'm like, no, I've never seen this dude before in my life.
Mm,
And yeah, all that legal crap. And then his defense lawyer had a chance to ask me a couple questions,
mhm,
but it was funny because in the beginning he's like, the lady asked him. I basically signed some since they couldn't swear me in because I'm out of state.
mhm,
um, they asked me to sign something basically swearing that I'm telling the truth in the beginning. I'm like, yeah, I'll do that, whatever. And then his defense lawyer was like, she was like, can you sign as a witness? He's like, yeah, I'm gonna have to decline signing that.
Hmm.
I was like, I try to keep a straight face because the way he did it, the way he said it, I was like, man, this dude. First of all, why are you even representing this clown? But anyway, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna have to decline that. I'm not signing that because we're gonna object to this whole deposition. I was like, oh, wow, okay.
Oh no, did you have to
I'm
get
like,
your
this
own lawyer?
freaking... No, I didn't need my lawyer or nothing. I just told my story on the record, and that was it. But yeah, craziness.
Yeah, Alfred said you got charged with over trading. Sentenced him to a blown account. He sentenced you to a blown account.
Send him to the gulag. He has to watch the market and not be able to trade. Watch it move hundreds of points in both directions, and he can't trade. That's his punishment.
And put the mouse. Go ahead.
I said my hands are tied behind my back, and I'm just forced to watch the charts and not be able to do anything about it.
Nah. That's too merciful. I'm gonna have your hands free, but just the mouse just out of reach where you couldn't do nothing. You can, but you can't do nothing. Just out of reach. That's a good setup right there. And have a Muhammad indicator right there on top of it. Muhammad's going long.
Let me take the position.
The Muhammad indicator. No. Oh, Muhammad's going short. He's taking his profits, and you can't do nothing. You just gotta watch it. No.
That's too. That is cruel and unusual punishment.
Hell yeah. And then put the P&L that you could have made on the screen so you can look at it.
Could have been.
It's like, this could have been your P&L. But it's not. Should I take this? Because I mean, I'm basically got break even now. Should I take this? No, it hadn't hit my target. What?
What do you do?
What? You took profits before the price hit your TP? Blasphemy. Blasphemy. Yeah, hit that target, baby. Hit that damn thing. Yeah. Hit that target. We at break even, baby. We at break even, baby. All right, I'll take that. We at break even, baby. We did it. We did it. No. Why did you do? No. Don't do this. Don't do it. No, just hit my target. Just hit my target. No, hit it. Please. Just hit it. Just hit it. Nah, Gameway's gonna have Gameway's gonna have a rule where if you go against him, you have to write him an apology to keep trading. I reckon show that you went against the CEO, gain weight.
Your punishment, you need to write me a handwritten apology note and then type it up in the chat.
You need to detail how great gain weight is and how good of a trader he is. and how it's foolish to go
say,
against him.
you're gonna say, this is your only warning. If you ever go against me again, you're perma-banned.
Gain weight is a great trader, and I was foolish to trade against. Oh man. God damn it, ES. God damn. ES, why you do these things to me? I guess the real question is why I do it to myself, huh? Come on, ES. Come on. Come on. Hit that target. Don't do this, ES. You remember all the good times that we had together? You know, all those late nights that we walked underneath the moonlight and we talked about the things that we wanted to accomplish together. Remember those conversations, baby? We can have that if you hit my target. Ah, man, you bitch.
There is no spoon.
Damn. Damn.
That's epic dump though. Was there some news that happened or something, or?
Nah, I think it's just because we just traded into a previous area of supply. Ah,
Hold
damn.
on. Let me say this. That was punishment for me because, of course, I'm sitting there giving my deposition. I got the charts up on the side, just just watching everything play out.
Oh man. Wow. Well, that was foolish. That was foolish. I will admit that was foolish. So I did all that hard work. I got a perfect entry on the ES. Got my account right back to break even. Well, I was like $60 away from it, and that's all I really wanted. The ES lost steam, and I'm right back where I started. Huh. Well, shit. Fuck it. Fuck it. Hmm. Oh, come up. There goes that account. All right, guys. Right on time too. Right on time. Man, that was foolish. Why did I do that? All right. Wow, that was foolish. Why the hell did I do that? Why did I do that? Why the hell did I do that? All right, guys, that's all I got. I'm glad you was able to get back on and tell us the story of your of them torturing you, because you said that you was watching the charts the whole time and you couldn't take a trade. I guess Smith is gone. Smith, you still there or no?
No, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, the whole time. I'm like, oh my gosh, this dump. This is a bear's dream right here. You over here talking to me, asking me all these freaking questions.
Hmm.
So it got to 908, huh?
Yep.
908 on NQ and then dumped.
It also dumped on the ES.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah, you know I just hit daily
What
loss
did the
on it, right?
market? I heard you did something foolish.
It missed my target by a point, and I just wanted it, man. Actually, what I was trying to do was I thought I could get away with getting $60 more real quick.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. It's funny how this whole ride took me to get up to break even, and then this small little drop right here. I mean, I guess I was long right here, and then I did add in 15 more right here. And this small little drop was $1,000.
Dang.
Yeah. 4, 3. I guess I can't blame nobody but myself. Oh yeah, that's a perfect short right there. That's a perfect short. Yo, uh, if we get this, that's a perfect short on the ES. 74, 74, 75-ish, probably 72. That's a perfect short right there. 74. Oh, that's a perfect short. That's where they broke structure at. Oh yeah, that's a perfect short right there. 74, 72. Yeah, that's a perfect short. So we see that. I'm shorting that. Definitely going to short it. Dooku Mo? Oh, dude, ES. Yeah, dude, come on, ES. Come on. Come on, dude. Ah, whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever. Whatever, man. He said, game weight, you said what? I'm sorry, Mohammed, you said Dooku Mo? It says Euphoria the Last Battle. Euphoria the Last Battle. Huh? That Sax guy, you said you took the short off the zone I had drawn out? Oh, you talk about for the ES? Yeah. Man, oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. 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 Really, ES is like that though? Okay. It's like that, huh? All right. All right. You say 1K and bounced. My ES zones are pretty. I mean, uh, I don't know if anybody know this, but these squares are not indicators. I mean, the only indicators on my chart are the pivot points, and the volume profile, and the EMAs, and that's it, and the trend indicator. But these rectangles are ranges that I have drawn out. You can see that I draw them on all my charts, ranges where liquidity is, and I just project these ranges into the future, and uh they, for whatever reason, they continue to work, so I keep them drawn out on my chart. You can see these little green lines are just not necessarily ranges of liquidity, but where pivot points where the market comes and uses it as resistance, and then they come and they use it as support. And so I keep these drawn on my chart as well. So if you see an area that you may be looking at on your chart and I have it drawn out, 9 times out of 10 is going to coincide with your thesis. And you can see that the ES rejected out of this area perfectly to the T. Perfectly to the T. So these ranges have been drawn in good faith. Same thing with the Nasdaq. Ranges of liquidity. The market likes to tend to rotate back and forth. These little necklines, you can see that the market likes to reject from them, and sometimes they like to find support. I mean, these pivot points be on point sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. They be on point.
Yeah, they do.
Shit, I think what my range right here. Excuse me. Man, if we got this pump before, I mean, I would have had my break even and I would have been done. I would have took my break even and would have been done for the day. But of course, it had to continue to dump and then pump. ES trying to be Nasdaq. You think I love you? You think I'm gonna tolerate this type of crap from you? You think that's how it is? You think that's how it's gonna go?
200-point drop though.
Yeah.
I've been tortured this week.
Yeah, me and you both, bro. Me and you both.
Dang, man. It's not fair. But there'll be other opportunities that I can be smiling and cheering and laughing and like, yes, I did catch that 400-point pump up. And then the 200-point dump. Yes, I did.
You know we gotta blame gain weight. Blamed weight again. Blamed weight. So I would have took it off at VWAP. I mean, but if I kept my 705, I mean, if I kept my original Nasdaq strategy with 3 contracts, obviously all my targets would have got hit, and I would have got hit at the top of this range. For it to go to 908 though. And you can see, again, these ranges of liquidity. You can see that they use these ranges of liquidity as support, and then they turn around and use it as resistance. Right here, they use this range as resistance. But the true winner of today was these golden fibs. Bro, when I said that we use these golden fibs and these levels was touching perfectly on the Nasdaq today, I mean, shit, we even got the high of the day, like one of the 79% fib level. That 79% yet again came in clutch. So it seems like the 79% on the short side, so the market is going up. It usually likes to reject at that 79%. That's why I kind of got the 79% also marked out as well. But it's not as consistent as, well, I guess it is if you look at it. I mean, the market doesn't necessarily stop all the time at the 79%, but you can see that around this level, there was a lot of liquidity right there. Yeah, it seems like the market also likes that 79% when it wants to go short. Yeah, it likes that 79%. Yeah, you can see that they use that 79%. Like, shit, if you use this one right here, that was the top right there. But I mean, that was kind of obvious to go short here because you already got the confirmation, the break to the downside right here. So just that retest right here, that's obvious. So, JC, so the same way how Smith drew it out. So this is I forgot where I got this projected, but you want to use the pre-market high and the pre-market low before the 8:30 open. And that's how these levels are marked out. And you can do it every day. The only reason, if you got NinjaTrader 8, you can just have these things set up the same way. And I just got these things projected out to where, the one on Tradeovate only gives you 15 levels. Obviously, with NinjaTrader 8, you can do, I got 315 levels. So
A million levels.
hell yeah. That's why I love
Go all the
NinjaTrader
way up
8.
to 23K.
Yeah, so the market can go as high as it wants, just not past 2,200. So, if they do, I'll just add some more levels to this thing. So I'm good all the way up to 23K, and I'm good all the way down to about 17. So we'll see, as long as the market stays within this little range right here. But all right, guys, I'm ended here. I gotta jump into this meeting. I'm already late. But all right, guys, we'll come back next week. I don't know what. I apologize about my performance this week, especially that last trade. I don't know what the hell came over me, why I felt the need to do that shit, but I did it. I guess it's just my self-sabotage week. Don't know why, but it is. But I'll definitely come back next week, and we'll definitely make more money, and we'll just move forward from there. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
Good one. Good weekend, everybody.
Okay. I was like, is Smith still there? All right, guys.
Yeah, I'm here.